Fun fact: the American highway system for the interstates, routes with odd numbers run north to south, even numbers run east to west. It takes 8 kids to open a school, so people often borrow nieces and nephews to start the school, and after 2 weeks send them back, so sometimes there are only 3 to 4 children in campground along the Knik River, but everywhere was so crowded. When I first decided to come to Alaska, I really thought Alaska would be this desolate land of no one and nothing. But everywhere I go, it's full of people. I don't know what I'm doing here. Just when I started questioning my decisions, I found today's camp. Every time I think about giving up, nature found its own way to talk to me.